Yes, I think that, looking at, if we take a look at the progression of therapeutic modalities, small molecules, that era was ushered in over 100 years ago. Protein therapies were really born in the early 20s with the discovery of insulin and the recognition it could treat type 1 diabetes. And of course, recombinant DNA revolutionized recombinant protein therapies, everything from recombinant insulin to lots of monoclonal antibodies. So that's two of therapeutic modalities. Then we have some nucleic acid therapies, RNAi and antisense and messenger RNA. We have gene therapies that have begun to arrive. And we're just at the very beginning of that. And then in the future, cell therapies are going to end up being a wave. And somewhere along the way there, we're going to have genome editing, which is kind of going to be in between gene therapy and cell therapy. So we have these waves of therapeutic modalities and innovations that are chipping away at some of the major health problems that we've had as a society. So this leads to the concept of, what do we want as a field? And there is this concept of lifespan versus wellspan. And lifespan is, of course, is how long you live. But if you're suffering from Parkinson's disease during the last 15 of your years of your life, that's not, that's not a high quality of life. So that brings in the second concept of wellspan, that I want to live my full life, plus I want to be healthy and well throughout that entire time. So that to me would be an ideal. We live quote unquote normal lifespans, or maybe a little bit higher than normal, because if you take away some of the causes of early death, then on average, people are going to live longer. I don't want to live to be 100 or 120. I'd love to live to be in my 80s and have a incredible healthy life all the way to the point that I'm no longer on the planet.